Hello friends, today we are going to learn about some important MCQ in chapter 1 probability. Section A, find the correct option for the following multiple choice question. Question number 1, which event is given by a special subset phi of the sample space U? So special subset phi means दैट इज इम्पॉसिबल इवेंट, ऐसा इवेंट जो कभी पॉसिबल ही नहीं है उसके लिए फाई यूज होता है. सो डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. इम्पॉसिबल इवेंट, आंसर इज डी. सेकंड, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ पी ए इंटरसेक्शन ई डैश फॉर द इवेंट ए and A dash. So value of A and A dash. A dash means complementary event. Event A does not occur. और A और A dash के अंदर कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं हो सकता. A का मतलब है इवेंट A occurs और A dash का मतलब इवेंट A does not occur. So there is nothing is common between A इंटरसेक्शन ए डैश. सो वैल्यू दैट इज ज़ीरो, तो उसकी वैल्यू ज़ीरो हो जाएगी क्योंकि ए इंटरसेक्शन ए डैश के बीच में कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं हो सकता. सो आंसर इज बी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑप्शन इज ट्रू फॉर एनी इवेंट ऑफ द सैंपल स्पेस. ट्रू चाहिए तो जो प्रोबेबिलिटी है उसकी वैल्यू पी ऑफ ए ज़ीरो लेस देन और इक्वल टू पी ऑफ ए लेस देन और इक्वल टू वन. तो जो पी ऑफ ए की प्रोबेबिलिटी है वो ज़ीरो या ज़ीरो से ज़्यादा, एक और उससे कम हो सकती है. सो दिस इज द करेक्ट. दिस इज द लिमिट ऑफ एनी प्रोबेबिलिटी. 0 less than or equal to P of A less than or equal to 1. So answer is C. Fourth number, which of the following option is not a true for any two events A and B in the sample space where A is subset B. तो यहाँ पे कौन सा ट्रू नहीं है वो आपको फाइंड आउट कर देना है. सो ए इज नॉट अ ट्रू. ए सबसेट बी है तो यहाँ पे पी ऑफ ए इंटरसेक्शन बी दैट इज पी ऑफ बी. तो ऐसा पॉसिबल नहीं है. ए इंटरसेक्शन बी का मतलब है इवेंट ए एंड बी बोथ अगर टुगेदर. ए इंटरसेक्शन बी इज इक्वल टू पी ऑफ बी, वो नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि ए सबसेट बी है. सो वेर ए इंटरसेक्शन बी दैट इज पी ऑफ बी दैट इज नॉट ट्रू. तो ये ट्रू नहीं है. सो आंसर इज ए. फिफ्थ नंबर, व्हाट इज द अदर नेम ऑफ क्लासिकल definition of probability. So we have to find other name of definition of probability. So mathematical definition is the other name of classical definition. So answer is A. Sixth number, which of the following statement for probability of elementary event H and T of a random experiment of tossing a balanced coin is not a true. तो क्या ट्रू नहीं है? अगर आप कोई भी कॉइन टॉस करोगे सो देयर आर टू चांसेस. आपको H मिल सकता है या T मिल सकता है. So there are two event is possible, head और tail. यहाँ आपको फाइंड करना नॉट अ ट्रू, तो H और T में कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं हो सकता. सो H इंटरसेक्शन T इज इक्वल टू 0.5, दैट इज नॉट ट्रू. तो ये ट्रू नहीं है, क्योंकि दो ही इवेंट पॉसिबल है, तो P ऑफ T की प्रोबेबिलिटी 0.5 सही है. PH प्लस P ऑफ T इज इक्वल टू 1 वो भी सही है. H की प्रोबेबिलिटी 0.5 वो भी सही है, लेकिन H और T में नथिंग इज कॉमन, सो दिस इज नॉट अ ट्रू. 7th number, which random experiment from the following random experiment has an infinite sample space? So any sample space which is infinite means unlimited, you cannot count it. So here we have to find infinite sample space. So see, the measure the life of electric bulb, this is infinite sample space. So answer is C. Question number 8. Question number 8. If A union A dash is equal to U, then what type of events are A and A dash? A means event A occurs, and A dash, that is a complementary event. A dash means event A does not occur. So here A and A dash, that is complementary events. So answer is B. Question number 9. If P of A upon B is equal to P of A and P of B upon A is equal to P of B, what type of events are A and B? So A upon B is equal to P of A and P of B upon A is equal to P of B, means A and B are independent event. So answer is A, independent event. Question number 10. Two events A and B of a sample space are mutually exclusive. Which of the following will be equal to B minus A? So here A and B are mutually exclusive. A and B are mutually exclusive means when A intersection B is equal to phi, then it is called mutually exclusive. So A and B are mutually exclusive. So A intersection B is equal to phi. And here requirement is B minus A. B minus A means event B occur, but A does not occur. B minus A is equal to P of B minus P of A intersection B. But here A intersection B is equal to phi. So A intersection B is equal to 0. So B minus A is equal to P of B. So answer is P of B, because actually the formula of B minus A, that is P of B minus P of A intersection B. But here A and B are mutually exclusive. So A intersection B is equal to phi, means value of 0. So B minus A is equal to P of B. So answer is B, P of B. So answer is B. 11 number. What is the total number of sample points in the sample space formed by throwing 3 6-faced balanced dice are simultaneously? So here we have to toss the 3 6-faced dice. अगर आप एक बार टॉस करेंगे तो 6 पावर 1 6 इवेंट मिलेगा. अगर 2 डाइस है तो 6 स्क्वायर, और आपके पास 3 है तो 6 पावर 3, दैट इज अवर आंसर. So D is the correct answer. Number 12. If one number is randomly selected between 1 and 20, what is the probability that the number is a multiple of 5? So here one number is randomly selected between 1 and 20. So between 1 and 20. So between 1 and 20 there are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. So n is equal to 18, because we have to randomly selected one number, that is n is equal to 18, and find the probability that the number is a multiple of 5. तो मल्टीपल ऑफ 5 मतलब आप 5 से डिवाइड कर सको, 5 के टेबल में आए ऐसा. तो 5, 10, 15, these 3 events are multiple of 5. सो ए के अंदर हो जाएगा 5, 10 and 15. सो m is equal to 3. So P of A is equal to m upon n. Favorable outcomes, that is 3, and total outcomes 18. So 3 upon 18. Here both the value divided by 3. So that is 1 upon 6. So here B is the correct answer, 1 upon 6. So answer is B, 1 upon 6. 13. If events A and B are independent, which of the following option is it true? So if A and B are independent, then P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B. So this statement is true. So A is the correct answer. 14. What is the probability of having 5 Thursday in the month of February in a year which is not a leap year? So probability of 5 Thursdays required in February, which is not a leap year. So not a leap year means ordinary year. In ordinary year there are 28 days, and in February month there are 4 week. तो 4 वीक है तो आपको 4 थर्सडे मिल जाएंगे, एंड एवरी वीक हैविंग 7 डेज. so 7 into 4 28, और ऑर्डिनरी ईयर में 28 डेज ही होंगे. तो 28 माइनस 28 0. यहाँ पर अगर सपोज लीप ईयर होता तो 1 डे एक्स्ट्रा हो जाता, तो 1 upon 7 हो जाता, बट दिस इज नॉट अ लीप ईयर. तो 28 डेज है, एंड एवरी February month having 4 week, तो 4 थर्सडे पॉसिबल है, 5 थर्सडे इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. सो आंसर इज ए, 0. तो 0 हो जाएगा. इफ P of A is equal to 0.4, P of B dash is equal to 0.3 for two independent event A and B of a sample space, then state the value of A intersection B. अब P of B dash है 0.3, तो P of B मिल जाएगा 1 minus 0.3 कर लो. So P of B 1 minus 0.3 तो 0.7. अब आपको चाहिए A intersection B. A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B. P of A है 0.4 और P of B है 0.7. 0.4 into 0.7, that is 0.28. So C is correct answer, 0.28. So answer is C. 16. For two events A and B of a sample space, then state the A intersection B union A intersection B dash. तो उसकी वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी? सो आंसर इज सी, दैट इज ए। तो आपको ए मिल जाएगा। लास्ट वन, अकॉर्डिंग टू द मैथमेटिकल डेफिनेशन ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी, what is the probability of each outcome among n outcomes of a random experiment? So probability, that is P of A is equal to m upon n. ये total n outcomes, so answer B, that is 1 upon n. So answer B, 1 upon n. So students, here we completed our all important MCQ. अब अच्छे से नोटबुक में लिख लेना, रेडी कर देना। थैंक यू वेरी मच।